The Ministry of Home Affairs or MHA on Thursday informed the Supreme Court that it has decided to allow colleges and universities to open to conduct final term examinations. The MHA, in its Unlock 3 guidelines, has ordered educational institutions across the country to be closed till 31st of August 2020. While the MHA has made its stance clear, supporting the UGC's decision to hold exams, students who oppose the move will make their counter, following which the Supreme Court will decide on the matter. According to an affidavit filed by the MHA, the Union Ministry of Human Resource Development or MHRD wrote it to regarding the conduct of final term examinations in higher educational institutions. According to the MHA, taking into consideration the academic interest of a large number of students, it was decided to grant exemption for the opening of educational institutions for the purpose of holding examinations or evaluation work for final term examinations of the universities or institutions. The affidavit also mentioned that in the Unlock 3 guidelines issued by the MHA on 29th of July, it has been ordered that all the educational institutions remain shut till 31st of August 2020. The statement stated that the universities or institutions will be and are clearly intended to be exempted from the said restriction for the limited purpose of holding final term examinations or evaluation work in terms of the UGC guidelines on the examinations. The University Grants Commission had on 6th of July ordered all the universities and colleges to complete their final term examinations by 30th September. In its curricular, it also provides the higher education institutions with the flexibility of conducting the said examinations through online, offline or hybrid mode as per the COVID-19 situation. The reason given for the deadline was the student will be offered a fair opportunity in the global scenario to either pursue their higher studies or join the companies they have been offered placements. Many states have opposed the September 30 deadline. A few weeks ago, Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu, Edappadi Palaniswamy, wrote to MHRD to reconsider the order and said that many colleges in the states have been converted into COVID care centers and quarantine centers housing COVID-19 patients or suspected patients. Recently, Chief Minister of Punjab, Captain Amarinder Singh, also wrote Prime Minister Modi to reconsider the decision of the September 30 deadlines. So, is it the right time to conduct final year exams? What are your opinion? Please share with us in comment section below. And for more news and updates, do subscribe to our YouTube channel.